Good morning. So today you're going to go to makecode.org and you can do this on your iPad. Once you go to makecode.org, click on microbit, which is the middle, and you're going to scroll down in tutorials and you're going to follow the flashing heart tutorial. So I'm going to click on it and you want to start a block tutorial. So you'll click on this blocks. And then it says, do you want to learn how? Of course you do. So you say, okay, this is your end result. And you will just follow these instructions. The only thing that you will do extra is you will add comments. So I know that you know what's going on. And you're like, why? What? How do you add comments? So this is a different program. So this is not what you're doing. To add a comment, you have to right click and click on add comment on each block and double left click on that little bubble. So in this case, program starts when pressing the button. And I'm going to drag this over to the side. So you're going to do this for every block. So this blue block is different. So I'm going to right click, add comment, double left click on the little bubble, or click once on the bubble, I'm sorry, drag it over. This will show a diagonal of LED grid lights. Okay, and you keep them open, and then you will screenshot what you have programmed, and that's what you will submit to Google Classroom. Thank you.